Hello everyone, it's Julie from Beebeecraft Designs again, and I'm here with a slightly different video today. I've got a little bit of a unboxing, unwrapping type video. The things I'm going to be unwrapping are from a company called Beebeecraft. They are a craft supply company based in the US, and I applied to join their YouTube program where they send me some items and I agree to unbox them and make a few projects with them. And I was really excited when I applied for this because I already shop with Beebeecraft. I've used them for quite a while. If you've seen the little charms I use in my projects, most of those come from Beebeecraft. I buy a lot of my findings from there, all sorts of little bits and bobs, my elastic, even dyes. If you've seen the eyelash trim that I sell in my Etsy shop, I wrap them around these cardboard die cut bobbins, and the dye from that comes from Beebeecraft. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this because I already know Beebeecraft are a good company with some brilliant products, and it's given me the chance to try a few more other products. It's brought things to the top of my wish list, and I wished, and here they are. So let's get started. Right, firstly, I love how they package their items. They always come in a nice strong bag, and inside that everything is extremely well wrapped in bubble wrap. Yeah, most of the items I've got here today come in boxes, but when I have ordered things that are more fragile, the individual item comes wrapped in bubble wrap, and then the whole package is at least double wrapped in really strong bubble wrap. So I've never had anything arrive damaged. So let's see what we've got. What should we do first? I'm going to do this one first because this is something I've wanted for a while. I have had little bits of it before, but yeah, I'm quite frugal with it because I don't have much. Now I've got enough to last for days. And what it is ball chain. Yeah, and this is a lovely antique bronze colour. Let me put that on a white background so you can see it. Yeah. Ooh. And this is a 2mm one. It's the perfect size. If you've ever had items from rather posh shops, sometimes their tags will be attached to the clothing with these. You get key rings with them, necklaces. But I use it for attaching beads and dangles and charms to my journal pages, to tags. There's so many things you can do with it, and now I have so much of it, I'm going to try some different ideas with it. So it's a really large reel. I've got my tablet outside of me because there's so many. I couldn't write this down, I would have copied it down wrong and told you wrong, so I'm getting it straight from my order from Beebeecraft. And the size of this, it's 2mm as I said, and you get 40 meters of it with 20 connectors. I'll show you the connectors. If you're familiar with ball chain, you'll know exactly what this is. If it's the first time you've come across it, you might think, what are connectors? What's ball chain? Right, well, these are the connectors. Let's find the end of my ball chain. So one little ball fits into this little connector. Oh, what's that? That's got some cardboard, and I'll poke that one out with a pokey tool. Grab another, here we go. It fits in like that. Hear it snapping. Then you can cut your chain to any size you want. It cuts pretty easy. I'm going to use my Chompy Timalt scissors. I'm going to have yay much. So you don't need any specialist tools to cut this ball chain. There you go. And then the other one pops in there. It's so much easier, especially if you've got really bad eyes like me, than using chain and jump rings, especially if you're a beginner as well. And that one pops in there. You will pop in. Sometimes these connectors, when you get them, and it's not just from here, it's from anywhere, they're so well closed up, you just have to open it up a little bit, and then it'll pop in nice and easy. There we go. So imagine that on a tag with a little charm dangling. Yeah, I now have so much of this, 40 metres, that I'm going to be able to do some different projects. The price of this as well is £8.12p for 40 metres. That's a steal. Yeah, pop that out of the way. I'm not sure how much you need to spend with Beebeecraft to get free shipping as well at the moment, but it varies. It's somewhere between 25, 30 and £40. Now, you know how much shipping from US normally costs, so that is a really good deal. So what else have we got in this little package? Now this is something I've had my eye on for quite a while. Oh wow. What is it, you may say? Well, these are some more charms, but these charms are slightly bigger than the ones I've ever used before. They come in this little plastic box. It's all sealed nicely. Let's get something. Come on, get your big chompy Tim scissors back, Julie. I'm just gonna, that's it, break the plastic and wrap it. Oh, it reminds me of Christmas. Chocolate oranges, tap it, unwrap it. Oh, and these boxes are amazing. I've got quite a few of these boxes when I've bought things from Beebeecraft. I've got to be honest, sometimes I will buy things just because they're in the box. Now this box has got what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 compartments, and each one has got a different leaf charm in. Ooh, I can just imagine Tania from Tatty Treasures going, ooh, leaves, woodland wonders. Yeah, look at that. You just don't need any more leaves than that, do you? Yeah. These again are bronze, antique bronze. I'm loving the antique bronze at the moment. It's my favourite. There's that many leaves in this little compartment, I can't get them out. Look at that one. I'll show you one of each of these. You should be able to see them on my white paper. So each compartment has a different leaf in, and you get 150 leaves altogether. So we've already said there's 15 compartments, so I'm guessing there's 10 leaves in each compartment. Look at me showing off with my maths there. These are beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I've got so many, oh, I've got that one out. There's so many different types now. I'm going to be spoilt for choice. I dither enough as it is. I'm going to be dithering about which leaf to put on things. I'll get my ruler as well to measure these. Let's grab it. They're not the teensy tiny ones, but they're not overly chunky. Some of them will be perfect on tags. So this one, which measures in centimetres, English money, that's 2 1/4 centimetres, and it's about 7/8 of an inch, 7/8, 13/16. Yeah. Then this big one, oh, that one's lovely. That's got little markings on, it's not plain. That's quite a big one. That's 4 centimetres, which is 1.5 inches. And this one, it's quite dimensional. The veins on the leaves are raised up. I love it. I could do an hour video just on these leaves. Oh, I like this one. I've had these before. They're the ones that I think look like ferns, so I just put one on the fern and mushroom journal. That's 1.25 inches. Have we nearly got all 15 out yet? Oh, look at that. Looks more like a feather than a leaf. That's got to be a feather. I'm not complaining. I think I've got enough leaves to go at. Ooh, gorgeous. And that is them all. Well, I've got 2 of those, yeah. So it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 11 types of leaves and some feathers. I must have missed one, I don't know. There's that many. I'm a bit gobsmacked with it. But yeah, they're lovely. Can you imagine those on a journal? On tags? You can, like I say, my kids, this leaf, my daughter's going to want this leaf.
I'm not sure.
She always has to chime in on my videos. I'm going to rename my channel, I tell you, the Julie and ALEX, I can't even spell, show. Right, I'm not gonna make you watch and put each one of those leaves back in, but they're really good quality. Listen. It sounds like money. Yeah, so the leaves, £12.44 they were. Now you know yourself, if you've looked these leaves up on a very popular site, worldwide site that has a UK version, they're a lot more expensive than this. Yeah, you can pay that much for a quarter of that amount. So it looks like I'm set for leaves. Right, that's those over out of the way. What else did we get? Do you know, it's that, I'm saying it's that long, it's less than 2 weeks since I ordered this. But in my world, 2 weeks is a long time. Like I always say, by tea time, I forgot breakfast time. What else did I get? Oh, this one's extremely well wrapped. Oh yes. I once had a couple of these in a little set and I wanted some more. So these come carded. The brand of these is Panda Hall Elite. Yeah, you can find that brand on the well-known site that we're talking about, and they're a lot more expensive, a lot more. Right, ooh, you've made me work for it, Beebeecraft. I've had lots to unwrap, and I've got yet another little box. This is amazing, having things in these boxes, because you know yourself, if things come in little bags, I lose them, or I'll end up buying boxes to put them in, which increases the cost. But these are they called ribbon ends? I quite often don't call things what they're supposed to be, me. They are Panda Hall Elite antique bronze ribbon end bracelets, for bracelets, yeah. They are pinch crimps. How many do I get in this? These are sold by weight, 146 gram, and these cost £6.34, and there looks to be quite a few. There's about 10 in the little size there. Yeah, there's quite a few. I would say there's about 100. And these are little crimps. Ooh, they are supposedly for making bracelets, but I do other things with these, and I'll save that for a video. But yeah, they're really good. You can squeeze these on with your fingers, or you can use, I've got some like acrylic tipped pliers. Yep. So not much more to say about those without showing you what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to save that for another video. I think this one's going to be long enough, isn't it? So yeah, those were £6.34. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 little compartments, and there looks to be 5 different sizes. Yeah, so put those to one side, and now for the last one. Again, this is one I've had my eye on for a while, and I'm not going to use it for its intended purpose. I think that's something as junk journalists do a lot. I'm just going to have a sip of my tea. Lovely. I had to make that one myself, kids are at school. Terrible. I'm getting used to my little assistant bringing me a cup of tea every time I'm videoing. I just shout down, I'm about to video now, get kettle on. Let's get this open. Yeah, so each one of these boxes has come either wrapped in plastic or carded. So that's just an extra level of protection to make sure they get to us in one piece. Now, I love this little square box. I've had one of these before. I can't remember what I got in the square box. But yeah, oh, now what is this, you might ask yourself. We've got all sorts of goodies in here. Ooh, pearls. Oh, stamens. I didn't realise this kit had stamens in. It's brilliant to see those. I do already have some, but I can make use of these. Now, this might give you a clue as to its intended purpose. This is actually a hair clip making kit. Let's empty this one out altogether. Ooh. And it comes complete with these clips. There are 145 pieces in this kit altogether, and it costs, wait for it, £5.72. That is just a bargain, absolute bargain. So the idea is that you use all these flowers. These are lovely. These are like little antique bronze flower outers. Oh, look at that. So if you wanted to make hair clips, you'd get your E6000 out, or whatever glue you prefer for sticking metal. This is why I prefer boxes. Sometimes I can't do these little packets. I can't do this one. Do you know what I'm going to do with this one? Because I will actually empty all these out into my box. I'm going to cut it. Yeah, let's empty those out. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, wow, look at these. That little... Oh, wow. I'm going to have fun with this. Lovely. I'm going to make some flower clusters for my junk journals for this. And the clips, I think these clips are going to come in extremely handy for clipping things together while they're drying. Yeah. Oh, like I said, my kids are going to come home from school, 14-year-old girls, and they're going to want these, aren't they? They're going to want something made for them. So I may actually step outside my comfort zone and make a little bit of jewellery. Yeah. So we've got stamens. There looks to be a fair few there. No actual numbers on the kit, but 145 pieces in total. I think there's 145 without counting the stamens. Got some lovely little pearl beads. I'm going to tip those out in this lid because they actually look pretty good quality, these as well. You know, sometimes you get them from various places and they're all rough. Oh, these are not rough. They're lovely and smooth. The holes are quite clear. Yeah. Oh, I'm liking this. So we're going to have some fun with this kit. Yeah, and that's it. She says that's it, like there weren't much. And giddy. Oh, we've got one more to look into. You stay there, beads. Oh, wow. These are lovely. Oh, wow. I am well impressed with these. Do you know when you buy something for £5.72 and it says it's got 145 pieces, you do not expect this. I am beyond thrilled with this. These are going to make some absolutely gorgeous centres for flowers. Can you see the sparkle as well? Ooh. Yeah, they're made up of pearls and little blings. Oh yeah, I'm all blinged up now, aren't I? So there we have it. That's my goodies from Beebeecraft, and like I said, I could not be more thrilled with them. I bought a few items that I wouldn't normally have bought, and I've got a few items that I knew I would definitely have bought. And yeah, but I've never been disappointed with an order from Beebeecraft yet. I've told you before, well, you've seen on my channel, if something's rubbish, I'm going to tell you it's rubbish. This is definitely not rubbish. This is junk journal gold. So, thank you for watching me. Thank you for joining. If you are interested in joining the Beebeecraft YouTube program, the joining requirements are to have a YouTube channel with 100 followers. So yeah, if you fancy making something with their lovely goodies, pop over to the Beebeecraft site and there you will find details on how to join. So thank you for watching, and I will see you with a couple more videos making something from these lovely goodies. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye.